and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And no, I still don't have a haircut. Don't clown me. And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, we back, we back. Ah. For real, like, let's talk. Let's talk, y'all. Let's talk. I believe that my hair is damaged, and I'm gonna show you why, tell you why, the possibilities, like the possible problems, possible solutions, and I think that's pretty much it. So, it's not like heat damage or anything. I think personally it's damage because of how often I used to wear ponytails and like how I used to always brush my hair up and slick it down, and I would never like let it rest or anything, so it was always wet, it was always being pulled, so it was overstretched, it was always being gelled down, it wasn't being moisturized unless I was trying to slick it back up. Tension is really a problem, and I spoke about this before. Obviously I don't know how to follow my own direction. I'm not going to beat myself up about it anymore because it happened, and you know, I have to live with the consequences at the end of the day, so it's cool. Well, it's not cool, but I acknowledge it, and I'm not pretending that it's not there, and I'm actively trying to solve it. Here is, oh, so here is, all right, first of all, I'm gonna insert a video of the day that I found out that something was wrong, because I was actually recording a video over the summer for a wash and go, right, trying to do my best, like trying to record videos, right, and then it was like pieces in the front, they was straight. I was like, whoa, what you doing? Like, wait a minute, that's not supposed to happen. I'm gonna insert that clip right now. You can see like everything else is curly, but the front part is like straight. So yeah. And my roots are still wet, but I think, let me make sure I'm not lying. They're like starting to get a little wave in them. I don't know. I really need them to start doing something, because I don't know, it's just starting to scare me, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so from that clip, you can only see the front. It's not that much hair, but it's enough to be too much for me. Like, even a little bit of damage is too much for me. So yeah, that's a problem. But it's not like that anymore. Like, it has a slight little wave. It's just like very frizzy, and I don't know, I don't like it. It's only like this part and the very back. Everything else is pretty much good. I'm gonna show you guys some more pictures. I'm gonna try to screen record from my phone. I'll just like put them right there, I guess. So let's see if I can do that. Do that. Here, because the back, it's like it's still overstretched, so it's like frizzy, has a slight little wave to it, but it's still overstretched. So the back is my tightest portion, but because the very back, like this much of it, is the damage, well, what I think is damaged, I'm gonna call it damage just to let y'all know. What I think is damaged, it hangs a little bit lower now, when it usually just like right. I don't know. All right, hold on, I'm gonna show y'all the shape of my hair on, like, before any of this happened. This is the shape of my hair like on any given day if I was to wash it, and I think only thing I had in was leave-in conditioner, but it's like a little, like a heart basically. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, peak in the middle. Yeah. And because even though like my cut, the back is longer, it shrinks up because it's the tightest curl. So this is what happens now. It hangs lower, and here you can see what I was talking about in the front a little bit. Like, it's still a little wave, but it's frizzy and it be looking straight, and that's nasty. Like, that's not how it's supposed to happen. So this is how the back looks. As you can see, the portion on the bottom is like a tighter curl or coil, whatever you want to call it, and then the top is just like, it don't want to be here. Like, it's afraid. It's afraid. It's okay. It's okay. Just curl up. It's okay. Like this, you can see. Dang, I look scared in this picture. You can see like it's frizzy. You can definitely see like a line of demarcation because the bottom half is like curly, coily, and then the top is just like straight frizz. And you can see like straight pieces, kinda. They're not bone straight anymore. Happy about that. They're not bone straight, but they still not how they supposed to be. You feel me? Oh, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. All right. So you can see what it looks like when it's fully wet. This is fully wet, y'all. Mind you, this is fully wet. The front, you can see like little curls, but they frizzy right there. Dang, that's, oh my gosh, that's so frizzy. And this is the back, frizzy, not micro pattern. That's crazy. That's what's crazy about you. Yeah, I may just have to just cut it all off. To be honest, and just to show y'all, if y'all say like maybe your curl pattern is changing, that could be a reason, but it's very frizzy. So that's the only reason why I don't think it's that, like, because sometimes I have noticed that things have got looser. Like you can see, this is my prom picture, and even though it's blurry, you can still see my hair was very coily when it was short. Now it's curly because it's longer, but it's really coily, and the ends are still coils, and it's like turning into curls. I don't know, y'all you can notice it. All this being said, it isn't to like discourage you guys or anything, or to discourage myself, because that's not the type of person I am. Like, I like to think optimistically, but at the same time I gotta think realistically. Yeah, this is just to be honest, like just to be open, honest. It's not anything to hide. Like, it's not nothing, I'm not gonna say it's not nothing to be ashamed about, but it's not nothing to be shamed for. Because if I knew it was going to happen, I obviously wouldn't have done it. But at the same time, I should be thinking ahead and realizing this isn't healthy for my hair. Because I kept my hair in ponytails for all of my freshman first semester and half of my second semester. Half of my second freshman semester. I kept it up because I was stressed. I didn't know what to do with it. It's just I was trying to do too much and then trying to take care of my hair. So I would leave it up because I always say like don't do your hair when you're stressed or when you're like in your feelings or something like that. But at the same time, it has to get done sometime. And I at least could have like took it down when I went to sleep. Like I would keep it up. So when I woke up for my 8 a.m.s, I could just get up, take off my bonnet, and go. But that wasn't healthy. Like, I should have just woke up earlier. And it's definitely a learning experience. I haven't worn ponytails for the past couple months. If I do, it's a loose ponytail. So as far as solutions, you know, I'm trying new things. You're going to be there. Like, I mean, you're not going to physically be here, but you're going to see what I'm trying because I'm putting out videos on the topics. Videos on this topic moving forward will be like hashtag fixing damage or something like that. Like, I'll put something in the title to let you know that it's about this topic. Also, if you have any suggestions for what I can try, leave them in the comments. I'll probably try them. If it's not like 2OC, you feel me? Like, don't be telling me to put dog dookie in my head, because it's not happening. I don't care how scientifically you break it down. It's not happening, fool. It's not. I'm gonna let you know that right now. But yeah, if you have any other suggestions, aside from like doodoo, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment. I'll definitely reply. And also, hit my phone, fool. Hit my phone, hit my phone, hit my phone. Hit my phone. No, Snapchat. Make sure you follow my social media handles. And you know, it should be, I think, another video up here, maybe? And a subscribe button right here. I don't know. It probably is there. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please come again. If you don't want to watch my videos, I understand. My hair's damaged. You know, I'm one of those now. So yeah. See you later.